Okay, so welcome members. Now we are going to see how do we now convert the annual group to data to group to data. Here we are going to try now to use what we call the frequency distribution table. It has the data, then the frequency, and so on, as we are going to see. So if we use the frequency distribution table, this is how we can get our mean. We get by saying summation f of x over summation f, where f is the frequency, then this one is what we call the summation notation, or what we call the sigma notation. Some people say call it like that. Here, now I'm going to give you this question. The following were marks obtained by students from a test. These were the marks now. So they are ungrouped. They are telling us construct the frequency table for the above data, find the number of students, then we answer this question. So, how do we now convert this to a table? What we do, you just pick out you arrange the marks from big to small. So this is the smallest, followed by this, followed by 20, followed by 30, followed by 60, followed by 75, and then followed by 80, as I've listed them there. Now, this star is helping us to get the frequency. You say the frequency is the number of times at which an item is appearing. So this star will come. You see, you have here 10. So if you cancel this 10 in here, then you come and you put here and store like that. Then you come 60. 60, you come and you put 1 there. You come to 10 and then you come to 75. You come at the 75, you put another like that. You come to 80, you put another like that. You cancel, you put, so that you don't forget, we have cancelled this already. Then I cancel this, 20, I come where 20 is, I put another step like that. I come where 10 is, 10 now is having a second one there. Then I come where 20 is, 20 is also having a second there. Then I come to 30, is having a first one there. Then I come to 20, 20 is having a third there. Then I come to 10, 10 is having a third also. Then I come to this was 10, then I come to 20, is having a fourth there. Then I come now to the last, the 60, is having the second there. Now, how do you get frequency? You get frequency from the tab. So you hear frequency, just count them. 1, 2, 3. So here the frequency is 3. Here they are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it's 1. This is 2, 1, 1. Now it's at the now formula. This one means you sum the frequency. So if we sum the whole of this, what do we get? 3 plus this 7 plus this 8, 10, 11, 12. So when we sum, this shows that we are summing frequency, we get 12. Then, that's all in simple terms. Now, we also need the frequency, then times x. How do you get x? X is what is here. If it's just 1, you get this x. Now, we multiply it with the frequency. See, f times x, so f times x, so this times this, we get that. Then this times this, we get 8. As you see, this times this, we get 30. Then this times this, we get 120. This times this, we get 75. Then 1 times we get 8. Now we need to sum. Now we sum f of x. What do we get? You get your calculator and you add all those things there. So you have to be careful here. So now I'm getting 4, 1, 5. So that is the answer. So now, that's how we construct. Now this is the way we have constructed our table. Then they are telling you that calculate the number of students. Or is part A, this is part 1, or is the number of students is always equaling to the summation of F. And this one is going to be 12 students. How do you know that you are right? If you count these marks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, they are also 12. So there you are right. Then come down from number 2. They want me to get the model mark. The model mark we said is the mark with the highest frequency. So you come here instead the model mark, the one with the highest frequency. So it's going to be 4. So the model mark is 20. You can also put the reason that highest frequency. Highest frequency. Highest frequency. Then number 3, you want to get the mean. How do we get the mean? This is the formula. So our mean is given by summation f of x over summation f. So we just substitute. Our summation f of x is 4, 1, 5 over summation f, which is 12. And so your mean is going to be, just say that your mean is going to be, I'm getting 34.583. You give it 2 for the small braces. That is my mean with this. Then I want to get my range. You say how do you get range? You say how do you get range? You say the lowest minus the biggest. I mean the biggest, which is 18. Now minus the smallest, which is 10. And here we are getting 70. So that's how we handle the first part members with ease. So we are using now, I think we know that now how we got this table. So we are from there, and then that's why we are having the similar table here. So always this is going to be our x. If they're just items, when they're not grouped. Then the table below shows the weights of students. The number of students are here. Find n if the mean weight is 81. So the solution in here is very easy. They are giving you the mean weight as 81. How do we get? Now we need, you know that the number of students is always going to give you the frequency. So this is going to be our frequency. So what we're going to do, you know that always our x bar is equal to summation f of x over summation f. What is our summation? This is our, we get this times this to get f of x. Then the number of the summation f, we just add this. So from here it's that my summation f of x for it is going to be now 60 times 2, then plus this times this, then plus this times this, then plus 100 times 1. This is going to give me 120 plus I'm getting 490 plus 4n. Then when I come to now my summation f, I'm going to just add these ones. Will be 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 1, and still I'm getting 10. So now my x bar, from here, my x bar is already summation f of x over summation f, which will be now my x bar. Okay. So from here, so my x bar is 81, equaling to my summation, which is 490 plus 4n, the whole over 10. Then cross multiply, you see that this is over 1. You cross multiply like this. I'll be having this times this, 490 plus 4n equaling to 81. And My for n will be 810. When you subtract there, 13, 3, 20, and says that your n is going to be 80. So your n is 80 in that order. So that's the value of n, the model mark. So this was our part A. Allow me to divide here, and I write my part B. B, they want me to get the model mark. Say the model mark, where there is frequency. So our model mark, the one that there is frequency, so that this is going to be 4. Our model mark is going to be 80. So 80 because it has the most number of students. Then part C, I want to calculate the median. Median is said here, just arrange. We arrange from small to big. So see that the smallest is going to be, there are 60 and there are 2. So 60, 2 times. There are 2. Then n is 80 and there are 4. So write it 4 times. Then 90, there are 3. And then 100. So we said we arrange equals from left to right. So this goes with this. This goes with this. So that I'm remaining with the 2. So my median will be 80. That's 80 divided by 2, which will be 80. So that's it, members. Of course, these are kilograms. Everywhere we have kilograms because weight is measured in kilograms. Oh, sorry, members, this was not supposed to be mark. It was supposed to be the model weight, not mark. This was supposed to be the model weight. And also here the median, then here model weight, of course in kilograms. So the median is also there in kilograms. So that's how you answer that, members. I wish you well.